Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges internationally. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial matters. Swipe tokens associate with significant installments frameworks universally and assist organizations with switching their digital currency over completely to stable coins or fiat finance cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on finance-savvy chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with a plan to make crypto interoperability with customary money, and it was subsequently obtained by Binance in 2020. Swipe has fundamentally three parts. First and foremost, the primary organization which creates charge cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so forth. Besides, Binance, the principal partners collaborated to bring improvements. Swipe biological system, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and in conclusion its clients. Extraordinary elements of Swipe coin. The SXP token is the local digital currency of the Swipe. It controls a SXP biological system and administers the decentralized convention. According to the Swipe token Financial Matters, the absolute coursing supply diminishes when the organization is more used. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making proposition and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay north of 60 million vendors overall and used to partake in liquidity mining programs. Market opinions and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanging the market is around $1.27, with an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, a greatest stockpile of 239,612,084 SXP. The greatest cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was a long time back. Specialized investigation shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign arrangement, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value skips and hits $4.66 on August the 23rd of September. 7 is the dim day of the crypto market. The whole digital money market has plunged, breaking every one of the expectations. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe has tumbled from $3.92 to $2.13. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The ongoing cost of Swipe coin is around $1.27. The following prompt obstruction level is $1.80. On the off chance that it breaks the level, it will hit an opposition level of $2.35. The significant opposition obstacle for the year is $3.52. Transient specialized examination shows that Swipe digital currency needs to break the $1.80 obstruction level to arrive at the Swipe cost in the $2 minus $3 territory. According to examination, $3.52 is going about as a significant opposition level to enlist another high of Swipe. Yet it may not occur in that frame of mind since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. This is the exchange set of Swipe from the last month onwards, despite the fact that it gave monstrous benefit for financial backers somewhat recently. Last month a moderate misfortune book. Swipe was sideways in the equal scope of $1 to $2. According to the anticipated level, it will turn bullish by breaking the sideways zone and getting the energy soon. The cost of Swipe is moving beneath its 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA. Dread and avarice file is put at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Digital currency aficionados don't know about the Swipe risk. Specialized markers for Swipe value expectation are displayed in the figure. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the forthcoming meetings yet isn't sufficiently able to climb. Relative list strength is set at 37, which is impartial. The cost neither shows the purchase Swipe signal nor does it demonstrate the sell signal. Market feelings on Swipe cost are impartial, and a similar will go on for the week. Quick help is set at $2.31, and significant help levels are 62 cents and 15 cents. Breaking the $1 support zone can make an unexpected fall in Swipe. At this point, specialized examination isn't showing a separate beneath the significant help zone, and to transcend opposition levels can take Swipe into a higher worth zone. shows that the token is a magnificent long-haul speculation decision. In view of the examination, the cost might arrive at a most extreme degree of $6.15 by 2027. In the event that brokers put resources into the coin today for quite some time, they might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. In view of the examination by value expectation, the swipe token won't be a productive resource for the present moment. As per the previous value developments and information, the greatest cost level for 2022 can be around $2.18 with a base cost and the typical cost of $1.83 and $1.89. What's to come costs of the token is anticipated to be bullish. Toward the finish of 2023, the base cost can be $6.32, while the cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $8.55. The typical exchanging cost for the year may be $7.43. The crypto market is very developing, and the costs of SXP tokens will likewise fill from now on. It can arrive at a greatest value level of $12.68 constantly 2027. While the typical cost is supposed to be $11. The swipe cost estimate for what's to come is exceptionally bullish. In the event that the coin can break critical mental obstruction levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another untouched high. It is a success and an extraordinary digital money accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns, continuously finishing itself in the event that worldwide signals are in favor. Dealers might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an unavoidable piece of the crypto space for financial backers who will face challenges. SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. Swipe value expectation 2022. The SXP conjecture for 2022 recommends that the cost could be around $1.63 to start with. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The most extreme cost for the year end is estimated to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment definitely in the year 2022 according to the gauge. In this manner, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those wanting to contribute for 2022, as it were. Swipe value expectation 2023. SXP cost expectation shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a most extreme scope of $3 to $4 with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the estimate, the SXP cost is ideal for the year. On the off chance that the digital money market is bullish, swipe can break the most extreme cost around the same time. Swipe value forecast 2024. Our estimate shows that swipe will break the $5.56 obstruction level and make an untouched high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.43. Numerous dealers might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated way. And our SXP token figures show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the most reduced cost of the coin in 2024. SXP value gauge 2025. 5 years down the line, colossal turns of events and acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make a tremendous spike and it will prompt an expansion in SXP cost. Our figures show that it will cross the $7 mark toward the finish of 2024.